everyone. To our respected school administrator, to our very dynamic deans of the colleges, beloved teachers and professors, proud parents and families, my fellow graduates, friends, and everyone who is here to celebrate this very special day. Have a good day. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude. Honestly, I never imagined that one day I would be standing here. We'll wear a toga, holding a diploma, and giving a graduation speech. There were many times when I doubt myself. There were many nights when I asked myself, kaya ko pa ba? O kaya na lang, kakayanin? There were many moments when I wanted to stop. But today, I can finally say, yes, I made it. Yes, we made it. My name is Rani Villarosa, and like many of you, I have a story. I came from a simple family. We are not wealthy, but we are not also that too poor. We simply learn how to live with what we have. I am the only girl among four siblings. Growing up, I learned that life does not always give us everything we want. Sometimes we have to work hard for even the smallest things. But I never thought that my journey would become this difficult. At a young age, I became pregnant, and suddenly my life has changed. I had to face the reality that I was not fully prepared for. While other young people were thinking about their dreams, I was already thinking about responsibilities. While others were enjoying their youth, I was learning how to become a mother and build a family. I will not stand here to say that everything was easy, because it was not. There were struggles, there were judgments, there were days when I felt embarrassed. There were moments when I questioned myself. I asked, can I still reach my dreams? Can I still finish my college? Can I still become the person I wanted to be? And maybe some people thought that because I became a mother early, my dreams had to end. But I learned something very important. A mistake, a difficult situation, So I continue. My fellow graduates, I want you to know that graduation is not only about the diploma that we received today. It is about the battles that nobody saw. It is about the tears we wipe away before entering the classroom. It is about the problems that we keep to ourselves while trying to listen to our professors. It is about the nights we stayed awake because of school requirements. It is about the times we wanted to quit but still submitted our work. It is about every time we said, "Kaya pa." Some of us came from comfortable families. Some came from families who struggled financially. Some had parents who supported them every step of the way. And some has to support themselves. Some of us had peaceful lives, and others carries problems that nobody knows about. But today, we are all standing in the same stage. We are all graduates. And that is something we should be proud of. To my fellow graduates, please do not compare your journey with someone else. Your classmates may graduate with awards. Someone may already have a job waiting. Someone may already know what they want to do next. And maybe you are still figuring out your life. That is okay. We all have different timelines. Do not feel ashamed if your journey takes longer. Do not feel less important because your story is difficult or different. Sometimes My fellow graduates, today is not the end. It is the beginning